Dark warehouse aisle. Beige towers stand like tombstones. Dust dances in golden light. Thick gray dust blankets keyboards. Every surface wears time itself. Fingers once danced here. Only shadows remain now. A spiderweb bridges rusty cases. Nature reclaims abandoned technology. The architect moves with grace. Power buttons anchor life now. Walking through narrow canyons, broken servers tower overhead. Cables brush like jungle vines. Each step crushes forgotten dreams. A gloved finger wipes dust. Pentium 4 emerges shining. Once cutting-edge technology, now archaeological artifact treasure. Smashed screens and tangled wires. Precious metals glint in chaos. Copper veins run through wasteland. Destruction breeds strange beauty here. Looking up at towering stacks. Unstable, dangerous, magnificent height. Lower units compress under weight. Modern Stonehenge of silicone. Rainwater drips through roof holes. Each drop crowns on impact. Nature corrodes copper traces slowly. Water and electricity are enemies. Opening a desk drawer slowly. Dozens of hard drives revealed now. Each held someone's entire world. Photos, documents, secrets sleep here. One single light turns on. Sheer scale illuminates gradually. Mountains of beige plastic emerge gradually. Weight of digital history revealed now. Workers load towers onto pallets. Efficient, coordinated, purposeful motion. Abandoned finds new value now. Resurrection begins with swift hands. Forklift lifts pallets into truck. Hydraulic power meets organized weight. Diesel engine rumbles with strength. Loading dock precision in motion. The truck drives toward sunset. Highway stretches to golden horizons. From decay to new destination now. Tomorrow awaits forgotten machines. Arriving at MackFactory facility. Modern architecture gleams in daylight. Obsolescence transforms to opportunity here. New beginnings start at dock. Truck doors swing open wide. Cargo reveals itself for processing. Clean facility air meets dust. Transformation begins at this moment. Dirty tower rests on white. Perfect contrast before preparation. Tools laid with surgical precision. Disassembly theater is now set. Electric drill engages first screw. Torque builds as metal turns. Case surrenders its secrets slowly. Barriers fall with each rotation. Metal side panel slides off now. Air whispers as steel separates. Dust clouds puff from disturbance. The vault opens wide now. Inside, choked with dust bunnies. Fibrous growths fill every corner. Components hide beneath gray blankets. Thermal death by neglect visible here. Compressed air blasts the interior. 90 psi cleaning fury unleashed instantly. Years of dust vanish now. Transformation is explosive and satisfying. Power cables unplug from motherboard. 24 pins release clicking. Rainbow harnesses disconnect systematically now. The main artery separates completely. Graphics card screw releases now. PCIe connector slides from slot. GPU emerges with heatsink mass. Once rendered worlds for users. RAM tabs press down simultaneously. Modules pop free with tension. Gold fingers catch the light. Memory extracted. Data temporarily forgotten. Drive cage screws release now. Metal frame slides forward smoothly. DVD and hard drives travel. Storage freed from steel constraints. Zip ties snap under cutters. Power supply loses constraints now. Heavy unit slides from housing. Copper core extracted with care. 6 motherboard screws release now. Diagonal pattern prevents board flex. Standoffs empty one by one. Main board loosens its grip. Green motherboard lifts completely free. I/O shield disengages with spring. Anti-static mat receives precious cargo. Grounding strap clicks secure now. CPU cooler dominates center stage. Aluminum fins dense with engineering. Fan blades wait motionless now. Processor sleeps beneath the surface. Retention latch releases its spring. Twist breaks the thermal bond. Heatsink lifts revealing thermal patterns. Silicone treasure exposed at last. Socket lever lifts with precision. CPU releases from gold grid. Isopropyl wipe cleans thermal residue. Salvage complete. Value is preserved.
The gold is hidden here, in these pins, in these connections. Microscopic wealth. Organization is key. RAM here, CPUs there. Every component sorted. The fingers, gold-plated connectors, snapped off with precision, each one valuable. Harvest complete. The gold fingers collected, ready for the chemical bath. CPU deconstruction, heat spreader removed, exposing the gold beneath. The high-yield zone, 775 pins, each one gold-plated, maximum concentration, heat and precision, desoldering the pins. One by one they fall, metallic rain. Server connectors, industrial-grade gold, snip, snip, rhythmic harvesting. Even SIM cards hold treasure. Thin gold plating, scraped away carefully, nothing wasted. Ceramic destruction. Hammer meets CPU. Shattered pieces reveal internal gold wires. Sweeping up the fragments. Every piece matters. Every speck of gold collected. Thoroughness is profit. 1.2 kilograms, raw scrap weight. The starting point, the number that matters. Into the glass vessel, the beaker awaits. Chemistry will do what hands cannot. Washing away the filth, dust and grease removed. Clean metal reacts better. Preparation is everything. Draining the dirty water, the scrap is clean, shiny and ready. Next phase approaching. Safety first, always. Gloves, apron, face shield, respirator. No shortcuts. The acid bath begins. Hydrochloric acid, clear and dangerous, the first chemical warrior. Nitric acid joins. Aqua Regia forms. Royal water, the only liquid that dissolves gold. Immediate reaction. Bubbles erupt. Chemistry in motion. The metals are under attack. Yellow. The solution changes. Gold is dissolving, entering the liquid, becoming ions. Emerald green. Copper joins the solution. Multiple metals dissolving. Complex chemistry. Orange fumes. Toxic and visible. Nitrogen dioxide. Ventilation is critical. Safety always. Time passes. The gold color fades from the scrap. Dissolution continues. Patience required. Stirring the mixture, ensuring complete contact. No metal left untouched. Thoroughness ensures yield. More acid added, driving the reaction to completion. Every speck of gold must dissolve. Heat accelerates everything. Hot plate engaged, temperature rising, chemistry speeds up. Violent boiling, dark solution, maximum intensity, the climax of dissolution. Silence returns, bubbling ceases, digestion complete. The solution holds the treasure. Cooling down, heat removed, steam rising, temperature dropping to safe levels. Filtration setup, funnel positioned, filter paper ready, separation equipment prepared. Pouring the dark liquid through the filter, solids trapped, liquid passing through. Clear green gold dripping through. The treasure is in the liquid, filtration successful. Trash remains, plastic and glass filtered out, useless now, the gold escaped. Washing the filter, recovering every drop, no gold left behind, maximum yield pursuit. The gold solution, emerald and precious, containing dissolved treasure, ready for precipitation. Neutralization, urea added, excess acid tamed, preparing for the final phase. The precipitant prepared. Sodium metabisulfite, dissolved in water. The gold recovery agent ready. Slow addition. The clear solution meets the green. Chemistry responds. Change is coming. Instant transformation. Muddy brown. The gold crashes out. Metallic precipitation. Solid from liquid. Vigorous stirring. Ensuring complete reaction. Every ion captured. Every atom reclaimed. Time compression. Hours pass in seconds. Brown powder settles. Gravity concentrates the treasure. Layered perfection. Clear blue above. Brown mud below. Sharp separation. Pure gold waiting. Careful decanting. Waste liquid poured away. Do not lose the gold. Precision required. Only the mud remains. This is pure gold. Concentrated and precious. The precipitate success. Boiling water wash. Heat removes impurities. Steam rises. Cleanliness approaches. Settling again. washing away. Purity increases. Every cycle matters. Perfection demands patience. Final acid touch. Hydrochloric cleansing. Last impurities dissolve. Professional standards. Boiling acid. Maximum cleanliness. No contamination remains. Purity assured. Final water wash. Neutrality achieved. No acid remains. Only pure gold mud. Transfer to dish. The evaporating vessel. Spreading evenly. Preparation for drying. Heat applied. The drying begins. Moisture evaporates. Solid approaches. Transformation complete. Light brown sand. Orange gold dust. Dry and ready. The texture changes. Close examination. 24 karat gold. Granular and precious. Every grain is gold. The crucible awaits. Ceramic vessel. Heat resistant. Ready for the fire. Borax glazing. Powder to glass. Prevents sticking. Ensures clean release. Professional technique. Gold loaded. Dust poured in. The crucible charged. Ready for transformation. Ignition. The torch roars. Flame born. Heat unleashed. The melting begins. Gentle preheat. Low flame caresses. Powder darkens. Thermal preparation. Patience prevents cracking. Heat increases. Red glow emerges. 1000 degrees. Approaching the threshold. Borax on top. Melting instantly. Glassy protection forms. Shielding the precious metal. Liquefaction begins. 1064 degrees. The melting point reached. Solid becomes liquid. Coalescence. Clumps merge. Surface tension pulls. Liquid blob forms. Satisfying perfection. The gold bead spins. Shimmering and perfect. Liquid mirror. Torch heat maintains. Beauty in motion. Torch withdraws slowly. Heat diminishes. Cooling begins. Solidification approaches. The flash. Solidification moment. Latent heat releases. Brief brilliance. Gold becomes solid. Quenching. Tongs grip. Water immersion. Hiss and steam. Rapid cooling. Final hardening. Retrieval. Rough gold emerges. Wet and warm. Oxide layer present. Polishing needed. Scrubbing. Wire wool abrasion. Oxide removes. Shine emerges. Mirror surface develops. The money shot. Polished gold on scale. Drumroll moment. Weight determination. Success measurement. 1.85 grams. 24 karat gold. From 100 computers. The number is real. The treasure recovered. Profit calculated. Value revealed. Was it worth it? Subscribe for more. The alchemy continues.